Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself SKJ. You are watching Surveying in Civil Engineering. In the last video I have explained how the lintel work has done on site. So this everything I have shown in the last video. If you are not seen, please check it out. And today I am going to show about the lintel, how the column going to be constructed. So here is the minor mistakes what they have done. Usually the vertical ties for providing the column is done properly, but the thing is, for the four rods they haven't provided the vertical tie. So vertical tie means it's a ring. So you can see, so I was just observing all the columns, but they haven't provided any ring for internal four rods. So usually 8 rods are there, so internal 4 rods, for that also they need to provide one ring for that, but they haven't provided that ring. So you can check it out here, because whenever you're going to provide rings for the column, so they have to fit with all the 4 corners, so then only the column going to withstand. And also the providing of vertical ties, it's satisfactory for that, but they haven't provided the vertical ties for the 4 rods. So usually our construction rods are totally 8. For the external 4 rods they are providing properly, but what about the internal 4 rods? So they're supposed to provide that vertical ties, so that you should take care of providing the vertical ties whenever we going to construct the column. So if you're providing more than 4 rods in the column, so there you need to check whether the vertical ties also considered in inside the 4 rods whatever we're going to provide here. So here you can see this. So I was just instructed, so whatever the mistakes they have done, again I told them to remove entire the things, whatever the in between you have just provided the nocks for the rods. So I just told them to remove all those things, and after removing I told to put the vertical ties inside the 4 rods. So you can see here, so he is just removing all the whatever the things he has done. So again it will take more time to remove and putting up the rings inside. So this you need to take care of, guys. So yeah, so this is what I was talking about. So inside you can see there are 2 rings. For our external things also I have just provided vertical ties, and also for the internal 4 rods also I provided vertical tie. So like that you need to take care of that. And coming for the concreting, so usually for the column I took 1:1:4 or 1:1:2, sorry, 1:1:2 means one bag of cement, which I am going to take 2 bags of sand and 4 bags of aggregate, coarse aggregate. So this is how we are just putting up the concrete. And after putting up the concrete, what we have to do, we have to do the verticality check, so with the help of the plumber. So here you can see he's just checking the verticality of the column, so it is coming exactly vertical. So like this we need to check the verticality of the box what we are just providing for the column. So this you need to take care of this. So he is just putting, and this is what we are just providing the covers for the column. So he is just putting the covers by putting the stones. So usually for the column we need to provide 1.5 inches of covering. You can say for 40 to 50 mm we need to provide the covering. So with the help of the stone chips we are providing the covering. So this is the final product what we have got next day. So after having the concreting, so this you can see after removing the box out, so the final product you are getting like this. So that's it, guys. This is how we going to construct. And first thing you need to see how we are providing the reinforcement in the column. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries regarding, let me know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.